it is given that 75 to the nth power times 15 equals to 3 to the 6th power times 5 to the nth power. Find the value of m positive n if m and n are positive integers. Okay, let me take the given equation as it is. That is 75 to the nth power times 15 equals to 3 to the 6th power times 5 to the nth power. Now we can write this 75 as a product of its prime factors. Then we get 3 times 5 times 5 whole to the power of n. We can write this 15 also as a product of its prime factors. Then we get 3 times 5. On the right side, we can write this stuff as it is. That is 3 to the 6th power times 5 to the nth power. Okay, here we have product of three numbers. There is a common exponent n. Whenever there is a common exponent of product of two or more numbers, we can distribute this exponent for each number over here and multiply the results. Then we get 3 to the nth power times 5 to the nth power times 5 to the nth power times 3 times 5 equals to 3 to the 6th power times 5 to the nth power. Okay, for this 3 and this 5, we don't have any exponent. So we can take exponent 1 over here and here. Now let's consider the product of these two powers. Here we have the same base 3 in these two powers. Whenever I multiply two or more powers with the same base, we can write the base ones and we have to add the exponents. When I add the exponents, I am getting n positive 1. Let's consider the product of these three powers. We have the same base 5. So we can take the base ones and we have to add the exponents n, and 1. That is n positive 1. This is the product rule of exponents. We can write the stuff on the right side as it is. That is 3 to the 6th power times 5 to the nth power. Okay, here we have 3 to the power of n positive 1 times 5 to the power of, when I add n and n, I'm getting 2n. That is a simplification of this one is 2n positive 1 equals to 3 to the 6th power times 5 to the nth power. In whatever pattern we have the expression on the left side over here, in the same pattern we have the expression on the right side. Because here we have a power with the base 3. Here we have a power with base 3, the same thing. Here we have a power with base 5. Here we have a power with base 5. Now let's compare these two powers with the same base, that is 3. The exponent over here is n positive 1. Here the exponent is 6. We can equate them. Then we get n positive 1 equals to 6. Let's solve for n in this equation. Let's subtract 1 from both sides. Positive 1, negative 1 will cancel out. I'm getting n equals to 6, negative 1 is 5. Okay, now let's compare these two powers with the same base 5. We can equate these two exponents. Then we get 2n positive 1 equals to m. Already we got the value of n, that is 5. Let's plug in 5 for n over here. Then we get 2 times 5 positive 1 equals to m. 2 times 5 is 10. Then we get 10 positive 1 equals to m. 11 equals to m. I got the values of both m and n. Now let's get the value of m positive n. That is m positive n equals to 11 positive 5, which is equal to 16. Therefore, the value of m positive n is 16. I find 16 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.